In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF table into Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. Whether you're working on a project that requires seamless data transfer, or you're just trying to keep your digital workspace organized, this tutorial will guide you through every step necessary. So, let's get started and make this task hassle-free. Firstly, to begin this process, you'll need to open a free online tool that converts PDF files into Excel format. There are many such tools available, but for this demonstration, we'll use a reliable one you can easily find with a quick online search. This tool allows PDFs to be converted into Excel files, which brings us closer to integrating with Google Sheets. Once you've navigated to the website, simply upload your PDF document containing the table you wish to convert. This tool is user-friendly and does not require any sign-up, making it particularly convenient for one-time use. After you've successfully uploaded your PDF, it's time to initiate the conversion. Click on the Convert to Excel button, and in just a few moments, your file will be automatically converted. Download the newly created Excel file by clicking on the Download Excel button, typically a prominent feature on the Conversion Tools webpage. Remember to save the downloaded file in a location on your computer where you'll easily find it later. Now, with the Excel file saved on your computer, the next step involves Google Drive, where we will bring this file to life in a Google Sheets environment. Go ahead and open your Google Drive by logging into your Google account and navigating to the Drive section. Once there, locate the downloaded Excel file on your computer. Simply click and drag the Excel file into the Google Drive window. Google Drive is fantastic for storing and managing files, and this function allows us to seamlessly transition into using Google Sheets. After the file has been uploaded to Google Drive, you'll see it appear among your list of files and folders. To make the most of Google Sheets capabilities, you need to click on the newly uploaded file to open it. Google will automatically open the file using Google Sheets, allowing you to view, edit, and manipulate your data right there. This automatic conversion not only preserves the integrity of your data, but also enables you to take full advantage of Google Sheets' collaborative and dynamic features. Congratulations! You've successfully converted a PDF table into Google Sheets. By following these simple steps, you can accomplish this task anytime you need. Whether you're managing data for work, school, or personal projects, knowing how to perform this conversion efficiently can save you both time and effort. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.